Hello guys, today we're presenting some dialogues for A1 level, part 2. Are you ready? Let's go! Dialogue 1. A crowded theater.
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it isn't.
Would you mind moving over one so my friend and I can sit together?
No, not at all.
Thanks a lot.
Most welcome. Dialogue 2. Mistakes.
Where did John go?
He went to the drugstore.
To the bookstore?
No, I said he went to the drugstore.
Oh, I misunderstood you. I thought you said bookstore.
How could you make a mistake like that? Weren't you paying attention? Dialogue 3. Games.
Say, Joe, do you play bridge?
No, I don't play any card games. But I know how to play chess. How about you, George?
Well, I happen to be one of the best chess players around.
Okay, let's play then. We'll see who's the best. Dialogue 4. Health.
I hear you've been ill.
Well, I had the flu for a couple of weeks, but I'm fine now.
You're looking well. By the way, did you hear about Mrs. Jackson?
No, what about her?
She had such a bad case of the flu that they had to take her to the hospital.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that. Dialogue 5. Sports.
Say, what's your favorite sport?
It's hard to say. I like golf a lot, but I guess I like tennis better.
Do you play much tennis?
Yes, quite a bit. How about a game sometime?
Sorry, I'm strictly a spectator. Football, baseball, basketball, golf, I watch them all.
Dialogue 6. Asking directions.
Excuse me, could you tell me which way Dobson's bookstore is?
Yes, it's that way. You go 2 blocks, then turn left. It's on the corner opposite the post office.
Thanks. I've only been in town a few days, so I really don't know my way around it.
Oh, I know how you feel. We moved here a year ago, and I still don't know where everything is. Dialogue 7. Coincidences.
Haven't I seen you somewhere before?
No, I don't think so.
But your face is so familiar. Wait a second. I know. We were on the same flight to New York last month.
Oh yes, now I remember. What a coincidence to meet you here in San Francisco.
Well, you know what they say. It's a small world.
Alright, so guys, this was the end of our video. Share it with your friends to practice. If you want to see part 3, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Love you guys. Bye!